Well, I'm glad you found my channel, My DIY Move. And the reason I'm sure you're here is you're going to be moving. Possibly you're going to do it yourself or you're going to hire a mover. So my channel is educational and telling you my 50 years of experience in this industry, what to expect if you're going to do it yourself or if you're going to hire a professional. So I'll give you a little background. My name's Craig Alland, and I've been in the industry since 1970. I started working in the warehouse for my father, worked my way through into sales, then management, and then ran a very large company for a number of years. So I have a lot of experience. My goal is to give you, in the following videos, a good idea of what to do and what to expect. You know, there's so many different ways to move compared to when I started. I mean, basically it was hire a mover or rent a U-Haul or rent a truck, and that was it. Today, you can hire a mover, you can rent a truck, you can rent a trailer, you can have a container delivered, you can pack it yourself, you can hire packers, you can hire loaders. So the options are endless. So my goal is to help you determine what you want to do. People move for a number of reasons. They want to get out of where they're at. They want to relocate for a job. They want to be close to family, or they just want to retire and live in a comfortable place. So you're going to find all kinds of reasons for this, but my goal is to show you what the best way to go for your particular move. If you're being relocated for a job, your company may just either give you a lump sum and say, find your own mover, or they may set up a mover that they work directly with, which would be a lot easier for you. But if they give you a lump sum, that means that you need to do it yourself and make these decisions. So, I'll be discussing ways to organize, to pack, to have packers, how to search out a mover, how to search out a container company, any way that you can imagine, I'll help you with. So let's get started. Now, I have developed a moving checklist. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'll send you a copy of it. And it'll break it down up to 2 months before you move, up to after you deliver. So hopefully that will be helpful. So please subscribe down below. Thank you.